Hi, lovely people. How are you doing today? I'm doing really good. I feel a lot better. I wasn't feeling good for the past couple days, but I'm feeling a lot better. But if you're wondering what's on my eyes today, I am wearing the Desi and Katie, the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette in Friendcation. And this is what it looks like right there. And I have on my waterline Royal Blue and the Koki Cosmetics. These are underrated. I really like these eyeliners. All right, so if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing the October 2018 Lola Beauty Box. It literally just came in the mail, so I haven't even cut it open. I have no idea what is in this month's subscription. Well, box. So let's see. This is a $21 a month subscription. And a lot of people ask me, is it the same owner as BoxyCharm? And it is not. This is owned by two sisters. And that's what it looks like. Okay. I do like this box a lot. I do believe that they really are improving every month. So the theme for this month is Autumn is Golden. And on here it tells you what everything is, a little information about everything, and the prices. And I'm glad the font is good because sometimes the font is so many different colors and I can't see that good. So I can't read it. But I do like the font in here. So it doesn't say how much everything is totaled completely. So in my description box, I'll add everything up and put it in there. All right, so the first thing I see is from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. Now this is an indie brand that I've been wanting to try their eyeshadows. Oh, look at that, there's a little bat right there. So I haven't tried anything from them and I'm so glad that this is in the subscription. Indie brands are in here, I really like that. So this is $12 and what is this? This is a Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Crib Cream Lipstick. Doesn't Kiss and Tell. The highly pigmented liquid lipstick features a flirty coral hue that applies sexy and opaque. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's a pretty shade right there. Very pretty. This is in the shade Crypt Cream. And let's do a swatch. That's bright. The smell's kind of different, not too bad. That's what it looks like right there. Very pretty. It's actually brighter, like more neon in person, but it's pretty. I like it. Okay, the next thing that I see is from Zhang Toy right here. This looks like an eyeshadow palette. Or no, it's not. Amazing Cosmetics. What is this? Okay, oh, it is Amazing Cosmetics in the Zhang Toy eyeshadow palette. This is $39. The only thing I tried from Amazing Cosmetics is their primer. I really do like their primer. It says this eyeshadow palette quad is designed with 4 complementary shades and finishes to give you a multi-dimensional luxe look that screams runaway ready glam. Okay, how the heck do you open this thing? What in the world? How do you open this? Why can't I get it open? Okay, there we go. So it comes with a mirror. I'm going to block the mirror so I don't blind you. So that is the shades right there, if you can see. I'm doing my video in natural daylight, so it's kind of taking the colors because the window is right in front of me. But this is a silver, like a dark gray, like a gold, and a brown shade. I'm gonna swatch them. Very creamy, like silky, not creamy. And that's what it looks like. So let's see. They're little, I don't know. This brown here is like chalky. Let's see. They're not really that pigmented. I don't think I like it. I'd have to try them on your eyes. Sometimes swatches do not show what they look like on your eyes. But for $39, I don't know. But we will see. They're chalky and they're not that pigmented. All right, but I'll try them on my eyes. The next thing we got is a Bang Beauty. Now, we got this in our BoxyCharm, a Bang Beauty product. What is this? This is a blush, a cheeky blush, or, okay, so it's either in the shade Cheeky or Dolly. It's a blush, and this is $20. So let's see what that looks like. I believe I also got one of these in an Ipsy before. God, I can't, okay. Oh, no, I didn't get this color. That's what it looks like right there. This is in the shade, what, Cheeky. Okay. Ooh, that feels good. Can you, right there. Let's see if I can put it right here. This is really pretty, and it is blending very good. It is right there. You guys can see. In my next video, I'm going to use my lights. I'm recording a few videos because I don't know if I like this natural light. It's kind of taken away from things. All right, we have a couple more things. The next thing we got is some sheet masks from Masquerade. So we did get two of them. One is I Don't Want to Grow Up, and the other one is Pre-Party Prep. Now, I don't know if everybody got the same one. Okay, so how much are these? These are $10. So I don't know if it's $10 a piece. I don't think so. They're probably $5 a piece, so both together is $10. Now, I have tried these masks before. They are in a lot of different subscriptions, and they're okay. They're not like fantastic, but they're okay. So I love sheet mask. And then we got this hair gurt, this strawberry banana. Again, I have received this in a BoxyCharm before, but I do like this. So that's pretty cool. That's what it looks like. Let's read up on it. This is $12. So this is a shampoo. It says, wondering when your hair got a mind of its own? Try a creamy, rich treatment with yogurt powder prebiotics. And then it just says like what's in it. It's for frizzy, dry hair. And like I said, I have tried this before. The shampoo, I actually even got the conditioner. I do like it. It smells good. I am glad that we got it, but it's, you know, something that we had got before in a different subscription. So let's recap with everything we got. So we got a shampoo. I am so happy to try this lipstick from Lunatic Cosmetics. Like I said, I wanted to try their brand before. This Amazing Cosmetics, I am not too like fond of this eyeshadow palette, and it's $39. I don't know. I'll have to try it on my eyes to see if it's any different. We got this, where is the blush? So I got the Bang Beauty blush, which is really pretty, and we have two sheet masks. So is this worth $21? Like I said, I will leave down below what the value is. I don't know how I'm feeling about this month. I think it's okay. It definitely exceeds $21. But I don't know. I think it's because of this I'm not too happy with. Not even with the colors, but they're very chalky. And I think because it's saying, I mean, if it said it was like $20, fine. But it says $39. This is not worth the $39 for 4 eyeshadow palettes. I mean, eyeshadows. So, I don't know. Comment down below. What do you think? Do you think this was a pretty good month? Would you think this is worth $21? Let me know in the comments down below. I mean, I don't hate it. But, you know, it's an okay box. So, please like this video. It does help me out. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think of this box this month. Did you get it? Let me know. And I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.